prepare for ISI and decided Vedantu?
I was searching internet and there was earlier before RMO there used to be PRMO and all that, and internet was full of a lot of information. I actually tried other institutes as well before joining Vedantu. Accidentally I stumbled on Vedantu class as when I was searching the internet in terms of these Olympiads and everything.
जब कॉन्ग्रुएंस मॉड वगैरह कर रहे थे तो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. मतलब दिस इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम स्कूल मैथ जो मैं पहले किया था 10th में. और मतलब आरएमओ के टाइम पे भी रजत सर ने कॉल किया था, टिप्स दिए थे एंड मोमेंट्स पे कि व्हाट ऑल यू आर सपोज्ड टू डू, कुछ घबराना नहीं है वगैरह. इट ऑल हेल्प्ड अ लॉट.
So Rishit was a part of our first full math master batch 2025, and the idea came from Chetan sir because उस टाइम पे हम क्या करते थे, there were different levels, अलग-अलग बच्चों को ओलंपियाड हम इवॉल्व कर रहे थे, एंड ऑफ कोर्स ISI के बैचेस थे, इसके अलग बैचेस थे. तो चेतन सर सेड यार ये बच्चे ना परेशान होते हैं इससे, तो कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पर कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पे, मल्टीपल बैचेस, तो व्हाई कांट वी क्रिएट अ सिंगल बैच which covers everything, and जहाँ पर हम एक अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर दें बच्चों को. एंड सो दिस आइडिया एक्चुअली केम जब हमने लॉन्च किया था. दिस केम आई थिंक 1.5 month बाद, एक महीने बाद ही हमने सर शुरू कर दिया था ये वाला बैच.
एंड इनफैक्ट
तो
उस टाइम पर हम
रिमेंबर
लोग भी श्योर नहीं थे. इनफैक्ट उस टाइम पर हम लोग भी श्योर नहीं थे whether we should launch this long term 2-year batch or not, because at that particular time हम मेजरली 5 months या 6 months के कोर्सेज ही लॉन्च करते थे.
yes,
So that was the first
So,
batch. Rishit, yaar,
kudos
you made
to-
us proud.
And I believe, sir, this was a great idea because personally I see with that batch, he was able to prepare for the Olympiads as well, the IUQM, RMO stuff as well. And JE also, he got 99.92 percentile in the maths space therein. So I think what you're saying absolutely makes sense, right? The JE portions are covered, the Olympiad one is covered, ISI is covered. So basically, if you're just targeting maths in any of the colleges, any of the courses, I think this is something which gives a very good platform to the kids.
Definitely, ma'am, definitely. So ma'am,
Kudos to
I mean,
Chetan, sir.
so ma'am, how did we, I mean, you as a family decided to prepare for ISI and decided Vedantu की preparation Vedantu से ही करना है?
So I would say, sir, this is more to thank my stars in terms of finding Vedantu, because I didn't know anybody who had done it from Vedantu. And in fact, even this Olympiad was also something that I didn't know very well. I mean, I was searching internet and there was earlier before RMO, there used to be a PRMO and all that. And
PRMO,
internet
yes.
was full of a lot of information. Also because of COVID, it was very confusing. And when I was looking for courses specifically on the math side, what exactly does this mean? That is where I was looking for these Olympiads. So initially, ISI was never a target. I was targeting Olympiads to see where exactly he can grow his thinking and all that stuff. And that is where I actually tried other institutes as well before joining Vedantu, and even personal coaches as well who really charge a huge fees per class kind of thing. But then it wasn't working out. So Rishit joined the class for almost 2-3 weeks, and then he was like, "This is not working out. I'm not really enjoying these classes." Accidentally I stumbled on Vedantu class as when I was searching the internet in terms of these Olympiads and everything, and I thought, let me give it a try. The fees was also very affordable, and I thought would be worth giving a try, and that is where honestly we started. And 1 month into the classes, Rishit was like, I really like these classes. We can continue with this one. And that is how the journey started. And when he did IOQM and he cleared that, then automatically you guys moved into the RMO batch. RMO he couldn't clear because that was his first attempt in 11. But then at that point in time, you launched this full math mastery course, which I thought is going to be a good one for everything. And that's when we enrolled, because by that time we already knew that we are in the right place with the right set of guidance, right teachers and all. So going for full math mastery course at that point in time was no brainer. I mean, that time we were fully convinced. So that's when we enrolled him into full math mastery, that in 2023, I guess. Yeah, 2023.
23 after IOKM.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So Rishit, how has been your experience in this particular batch with all the teachers and particularly Rajit sir's funders at the end?
So starting में तो मतलब when I first joined Vedantu, तो जो IOQM Prime, the batch that was going on that time, so first number theory कर रहे थे. तो लाइक फर्स्ट 2 वीक्स जब कॉन्ग्रुएंस मॉड वगैरह कर रहे थे तो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था। तो मम्मा ने बोला कि एटलीस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई फॉर लाइक 2-3 मोर वीक्स एंड देन यू से समथिंग। फिर उसके बाद समझ में आने लगा तो मज़ा भी आने लगा। प्रूफ्स वगैरह हो रहे थे खुद ही एंड आई वाज़ लाइक मतलब दिस इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम स्कूल मैथ जो मैं पहले किया था 10th में। एंड दिस वाज़ लाइक एज़ इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग मैथ योरसेल्फ एंड देन यू फाइंड इट फन आल्सो। और टुवर्ड्स द एंड देन जब रजत सर का बहुत हेल्प था मतलब रजत सर यूज्ड टू कॉल मी। और मतलब आरएमओ के टाइम पे भी रजत सर ने कॉल किया था, टिप्स दिए थे एंड मोमेंट्स पे कि व्हाट ऑल यू आर सपोज्ड टू डू, कुछ घबराना नहीं है वगैरह। एंड even in the 2-3 months before ISI, he helped a lot. हमने weak points discuss किए थे, how to work on the weak points, कैसे work करना है उस पे, and lot of extra tests and the corrections also कि analysis कैसे करना है tests की, it all helped a lot.
Amazing.